this is John from CLT. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce you our unique design outdoor LED display TC. It's an upgrade solution for the Billboards screen. IP65 front and rear. As we know, outdoor LED display brings large advertising benefits, and in future the demands will be more and more from big city to small towns. So what kind of product is preferable? Maybe energy saving, or easier operation, lightweight, or labor cost saving. TC is such a product meets all these demands. Let's have a quick view on the comparison between our TC and traditional iron cabinet. From this picture, my first sight is a weight difference. 25 kilos compares with 45, almost a half difference. TC is super lightweight. Also, the slim body, 98 millimeters, realized space saving in real projects. TC can support front and rear operation, which makes the installation and maintenance much more easier. Following is an explosion view of TC panel. As we can see, it united by the LED modules, independent system box, and aluminum cabinet. It's a tiny design, lightweight, 19.3 kilograms only. I'd like to invite my colleague to show you the sample cabinet here. So, this is a standard cabinet. There are two location pins for accurate connection between the up and lower panels. The width of the screen is 64 centimeters by the height 96 centimeters. The screen are combined by 6-piece LED module, each size 32 by 32. And the available pixel pitch we have P10, P8, P6.67. We also provide panel size 64 by 64 centimeters and 128 96 centimeters. We can splice different size panels freely, make your billboards more creative. My colleague are showing how we do the front maintenance by the center tool. It's very easy to take off in front. There is a handle for the maintenance operation, and the wireless pin connect to the module between the system box is very convenient. Let's have a look on the system box. It's very lightweight. The system box is highly integrated with the control card, power supply, and its tool-free opening that just unlock the buckles. Open the box. Interior, we can see that it's air conditioner free design, energy saving and running noiseless. The another humanized design is a built-in power and data cables. My impression to the traditional LED panels, we have to fetch additional cables from the component box or the flight case, much time cost. With CC panel, saving also installation times. We'll talk about installation. There are 3 types for TC. The first type is wall mount free of structure by the Untitled brackets from CLT. The key benefits is slim and lightweight. The first benefit is slim. With TC solutions, only 12 centimeters from screen surface to the wall. With the traditional one, it plus steel structure, it might be over 19 centimeters. Costs lots of space. And the second benefit is the lightweight. TC solution, only 30 kilograms per square meter, while the traditional one easily over 100 kilograms per square meter. Very heavy. And as we know, the heavier cabinet requires a stronger wall to support it. But with our TC solution, no worries about it. it can be easily mounted on various kinds of works. The second installation method is wall mount with structures. Due to the slim body and lightweight design, PC can be mounted with less heavy structure, less strength from the wall. We also provide a free cap joint for you to customize structures from local. Very convenient. And third installation method is the common ground stacking. In various kinds of sports stadiums, the completely front and rear maintenance make it easier. When talking about maintenance, how does CC looks like? Check the short video. Firstly, the front maintenance is combined by 3 steps. Take off the screws with the screwdriver and take off the panel by the standard tool and take off the system box. Convenient. For rear maintenance, it's much more easier because the system box is tool-free opening by hand, and we take off the screws on the back side of the modules. Then grab the module, pull out. Quick. And the importance for outdoor LED display is the waterproofing performance. How does CC performance? Check the short video. From this video, we are watering in the screen side to the system box side. We can see that the screen stays powering on, stays lighting on, and running as normal. Excellent waterproof. With this design, it can be installed in the outdoor, free of shelters. How does CC panel realize it? Let's have some detailed view to the module design. The module waterproofing design. From this short video, we can see that there is a U-shaped double-layer rubber stop the water entering the flying pin. It's a good fence. Realize the module independent waterproof. How about the system box? The system box is a closed design. It's also covered by the waterproof rubbers. When close the box, realize IP65. And don't forget the aluminum cabinet. It's a great solution for the seaside projects. Following are some application pictures. Let's see the seaside and lightweight slim body along the TC can be made lamp post. Also can be applied in the school, sports stadium, shopping mall, and highway, and more other billboard boards. Let's have a review of the overall features of TC by this render video. Welcome back to thanks to the dear varied audience. We will release a great discount for our TC series and our traditional T series outdoor LED panels. If you have any project is front installation, TC will be a good solution. If you have any large project, real installation, T series will be a good solution. Please kindly contact our salesman to get the detailed offers. Thank you for watching the program. Please keep following us on the YouTube, on LinkedIn, and Facebook. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.